Hello, I'm Howard Schmidt, Special Assistant to President Obama and Cybersecurity Coordinator here at the White House. I'm sorry that I cannot be there in person today, but I thank all of you for your hard work and dedication to help secure our cyber infrastructure. Cybersecurity risks pose some of the most serious economic national security challenges of the 21st century. These risks are not confined to a single country. So I've been working with my Australian counterparts, such as National Security Advisor Duncan Lewis, Rachel Noble in the Office of Prime Minister and Cabinet, and Mike Rothery in the Attorney General's Department. There is no doubt that cybersecurity is one of the most pressing, not to mention the most complex challenges facing the world today. It is crucial that we remind people about the importance of taking collective action to protect these systems from attack and disruptions, whether deliberate or accidental. Optional systems like NSTIC and your voluntary ISP Code of Conduct, ICODE, are excellent examples of how private sector and governments can cooperate to make us all safer. Collectively, we need to prevent cybercrime and other malicious uses of cyberspace. To accomplish this, we must disrupt the criminal organizations and other malicious actors engaged in high-consequence or wide-scale cybercrime. If we're to achieve the potential of a digital society, we must protect the resources that make that possible. When it comes to cybersecurity, everyone has a role to play. Governments, the private sector, small businesses, individuals, clearly everyone. Together we can build a more resilient cyberspace. The actions we take may differ based on our personal and professional responsibilities, but if each of us does our part, whether it's implementing stronger security practices in our day-to-day online activities, making sure the right tools are in place, raising awareness in the community, educating young people or training employees, together we will be more resistant and resilient, protecting ourselves and our neighbors. Thank you.